hints that he keeps missing. Don't have to think about it, I wanna kiss and everything about him, 'cause he's too distant. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how